In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Topstep to Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Topstep.com. Once you're in here, you'll see this page right here, and from here you'll just need to click Start Trading to create a new account, or if you already have an account, then you'll just need to go up to Sign In, and then from here your dashboard will pop up once you get inside. Once from here, you'll need to go up to Start a Trading Combine. And from here, you'll be able to select the specific account that you want to purchase. Now from here, you'll need to click either standard or no activation fee. From here, you'll just need to choose the specific one that's most interesting to you. You can either choose 50K, 100K, or 150K, and just select it like so. Once you're in here, you'll need to click I've read and rebuild the agreement, and I acknowledge that the unwarranted to exceed chargebacks and all of this. Now from here, you can enter a total promo code if you want to do that, and your credit card detail and information like that. From here, you'll just simply need to click I understand this monthly recurring membership and pay for the subscription. Once from here, you'll need to go up to Topstep Pledge, where you'll be able to choose the platform, the specific platform that you want to use. Here, you will be able to either choose NinjaTrader or Tradingview. These are the only two options you'll need to choose, or else you will not be able to log in and connect with a Tradingview account. From here, once you've done that and got your login credentials from either NinjaTrader or Tradingview, then from here you will need to go over to Tradingview like so. Now from here, let's just go home for this example. Then it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to Products and Superchart. And from here, once you get inside of this dashboard, in here, you'll need to go up to Trade. And then from here, you'll be able to search for either NinjaTrader or Tradingview. From here, it doesn't really matter. Both ways will work the exactly same way. Just choose the specific program that you chose on Topstep. From here, you'll need to click on it, and you'll need to click Live. Don't always remember me, and click Connect. From here, a Tradingview will open up where you'll be able to enter in your username that Topstep has provided with you and your password. From here, you'll just need to log in and then click Connect inside of Tradingview. Once from here, you can close down Tradingview again, and from here, you'll have successfully connected Topstep to Tradingview. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you!